The Bose Soundbar 700 is the best voice-enabled soundbar for music, movies, and TV. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. Your Bose Soundbar 700. Your quick start guide, important safety information, and cleaning cloth. You'll also find an Adapt IQ headset, an HDMI cable, and an optical cable. Underneath this divider, you'll find your Bose Soundbar universal remote along with 4 AA batteries. And lastly, a power cord. Now let's set up your soundbar. Begin by connecting the power cord to the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end of the power cord into a power outlet. Your soundbar will automatically power on. To complete setup, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up privacy settings, connect accessory speakers, pair your remote, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose Soundbar 700 is now set up. For additional help, visit our website.